Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share some mesmerizing, exquisite bangle designs that seamlessly blend the timeless allure of gold, silver and rose gold tones. So prepare to be enchanted by the harmonious fusion of three distinct precious metals expertly crafted into a stunning collection of bangles that radiate sophistication and elegance. In this captivating YouTube video, we unveil a hand-picked selection of intricately designed bangles, each a true masterpiece in its own right. Witness the interplay of light and shadow as these luxurious pieces catch and reflect the surrounding ambience, creating a symphony of shimmery beauty. Our skilled artisans have poured their passions and expertise into every detail, ensuring that each bangle is a testament to superior craftsmanship. From the classic sophistication of the gold tone to the understated elegance of the silver and the romantic blush of the rose gold. Every piece tells a unique story waiting to adorn your wrist with grace and allure. So friends, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.